a quick recap of all the accounting entries. Goods are sent on consignment. When goods are sent on consignment, in the books of the consignor, consignment account debit to goods sent on consignment. But consignee, though the consignee receives the goods, no entry is passed in the books of the consignee because title, ownership of the goods is not transferred. These goods continue to be the goods of the consignor. For expense which is incurred by the consignor, expense of consignment debited to the consignment account to bank. In the books of the consignee, but no entry. Expense incurred by consignee, consignment account debit to consignee's account. Consignment account debit because it's an expense of consignment. Why is consignee credited? Because this money is payable to the consignee. So what is the entry that the consignee passes in the consignee's books? Consignor account debit to bank. Because though some expenses have been incurred, they are not the consignee's expenses, and these will be collected from reimbursed by the consignor. So consignor account debit to bank. Goods are sold. When goods are sold, they are sold by the consignee, and as far as the consignee is concerned, the consignee says bank account debit or consignment debtors account debit to consignor. This is actually consignment debtors. And what does the consignor do? Consignor debits the consignee's account because it is receivable from the consignee account debit, and it's an income for the consignment, therefore credits consignment. For commission which is payable to the consignee, it's an expense. So consignment account debit to consignee. Same commission in the books of the consignee, it's income receivable from the consignor. So consignor account debit to commission income. This income, commission income, will go to profit and loss account. In the books of the consignor, if there is a bad debt, the bad debt loss borne by the consignor, therefore debited to the consignment account debit to consignee. But bad debt in the books of consignee, not consignee's loss, therefore simply says consignor account debit to debtor and reverses this entry. But if this commission here had included del creder commission, then bad debt would not, there will be no entry in the books of the consignor. Consignment account will not be debited if del creder commission has been paid. And in such a case, the consignee needs to pass an entry saying commission account debit to consignment debtors. Commission account is debited. For payment made by consignee, consignor receives money, so bank account debit, or if it's a bill of exchange, bill receivable account debit to consignee. Might have a bill of exchange. And the consignee, since payment has been made to the consignor, would pass the entry consignor account debit to bank. Or if a bill has been accepted, it would become to bills payable. Closing stock. Entry for closing stock in the books of the consignor, stock on consignment account or consignment stock account debit to consignment. But consignee does not pass any entry. Consignee did not pass an entry when goods were received, and there is no entry for closing stock on consignment.